Hi there, this video is live, very intense, aggressive bike ride into heavy rainstorm. Waking Town, weather forecast, UK 20. If you really like this video, please thumbs up, can't make it digital. It's 16:53 PM in the afternoon in Al, that's approximately, what you name it guys, 7 minutes to 5 PM in the afternoon, and it is the Friday the 14th July 2023. So we're going to go into this very nasty, aggressive rainstorm shower cloud right along the base of that canal right now. Here we go guys. Change the gears. This is tense, man. This is tense, man. Right, now we change the gears. Let's engage the warp drive and warp speed in a few minutes' time. Thank you. Right, as they say, engaging rock drive. Warp 1, warp 2, warp 3, warp 4, warp 5, warp 6, warp 7, warp 8, warp 9, warp 10. Yeah, high velocity speed now. Go down here on the base of the canal. This is very intense, aggressive rainstorm right now. This is tense, man. This is tense, man. Got the rain on the left. The size of those raindrops, the size of my thumb. It's talking about gale force winds tomorrow. You have been warned. Or 40 to 50 miles per hour across Surrey locally. Take action, take care. This will be very windy tomorrow. Very serious winds, guys. I'm not joking. Yeah. This is tense, man. Bloody hell. Yeah. Oh, look at the rain droplets on the side of the road. This is tense, man. Whoa. Yeah. Take care tomorrow. Those film grins tomorrow. Hope you like this video. Please a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my show on Sunday, Evans. This is my friend Sparky and Jimbo on the ITF Friday thing, Surrey Hills Race Station show. Every Friday, 3 to 5 p.m. Hey, now look, that's 1500 710 ITF Friday thing, Surrey Hills Race Station show every Friday, which is today live, one today, and listen live on the Woking Station show, which is on the Mountain Lara show every Sunday at 9 to 12 p.m. This weather's very intense and luscious, and assistance is on it. We're at St John's Village now, not too far from Woking Town. Please subscribe to my show on Sunday, Jones. My happy guys, it's just back over right now, no joke.